know you've heard the saying, home is where the heart is. While that's true, how do you know exactly where your heart is? Finding the right place to call home and put down your investment is a big commitment you shouldn't take lightly. Your lifestyle depends on this critical decision, so you need to make sure the neighborhood you select exceeds your standards and expectations. But how do you do that? Well, that's what we're going to discuss today. Let's go ahead and look at the information you'll need to find the right place to live. Affordability. Your biggest concern should be finding a place where you can comfortably live within your household budget. We're not just talking about the price of the property, but also the other expenses growing your monthly budget, such as groceries, utility bills, property taxes, and transportation. These expenses can vary depending on the area you choose to purchase a home, so be sure to keep these necessities in mind when budgeting for a new home purchase. 2. Employment options. Proof of consistent stable income is a must when investing in your next real estate investment. Those looking to finance their next home purchase through a mortgage company will require a minimum of 2 years income proof if employed by someone else, while business owners will need to show profit and loss statements as proof of the business income. It's essential for you to consider the job market in the area you aspire to make your next real estate purchase, including vacancy rate, pay rates, and other employment growth factors. Having a knowledge of the employment statistics in your chosen city helps to ensure that you'll be able to meet the needs of your family and lifestyle as economic market trends fluctuate. 3. Real estate value. Buying a home is a long-term real estate investment that you need to really think about before putting down money. Research the value of the real estate market in the area, see if the flux is constant, check out resale values of homes, and consider the possible financial benefits you could enjoy in the long run. You can compare local housing trends on websites like Trulia and Zillow. You can always reach out to the Estates with Tate team at 443-501-9817 if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Our team is here to support you through all your real estate needs. 4. Local amenities. Remember, you need more than a home to enjoy living in your neighborhood. While you're house hunting, check out the grocery stores, schools, parks, churches, and community centers in the area to see what they're like. Talk to people who work at these places or visit them regularly to see if they meet your standards and needs. 5. Crime rate and statistics. It's crucial that you check out the crime rate and statistics of the area to figure out if the neighborhood is safe. A great source for such information would be your local police department. Spend some time researching the neighbor and watching the local news for the most up-to-date statistics. Schedule your consultation call today 443-501-9817.